Assalamualaikum viewer. This is lecture about graphing function, expansion and equations. Here we study some basic graphs like first of all we start with the function of a single variable. For a function for a single variable, if we want to plot a graph, then we use this command. The command is to plot square bracket f of x comma x a b, and these brackets are closed. This f of x is a function that defined us before, and you can watch it in our previous lecture how we define a function. Here is x is the independent variable in that function, a is the starting value and b is the final value of a. Same like that one, you write this one or this one, this one is plot, p is capital, f of x, then comma, same like this one, the independent variable is x and a is the initial value and x1 be the next and b be the final value. This is in the table form. Watch at this example, graph y equal to sin x for minus pi less than equal to x is less than equal to 2. Here you people want to draw the graph of y equal to sin x. How we write this one in Mathematica? We enter in Mathematica p1. This is not any function, built-in function in Mathematica. You can use it as you want, and this equal also be have no meaning according to Mathematica. You can use this equal sign, but these are the simple and to the point command. That one plot is, and then this function is sin, here the square bracket sin x, and we want to plot this one, and this is their condition. Condition is in curly bracket x, the independent variable, from starting value minus pi and the end value is 2 pi, and we close it, shift plus enter, then we get the plot result. If you people want to draw a graph for a function with these command used, then you can do anything as you want. For example, if you want a colorful function, mean the line that you use are in different color, then you people can use this command. Let's suppose this is different question, that is the plot cos x comma x minus 2 pi to 2 pi. This is the condition that is given here. Same, this one is the condition. Then we use the color function, and this arrow use the color name. The color name is in you can watch it in next few video. I will be upload this video, and the plot style is, and this command is used, and the arrow is used from MATLAB, and the thickness as you want, just like here is 0.025. This one is for if you people want a colorful or want to make the graph line is bold, then you can put any value of the thickness here. Same like this one in C, you people can see P1C equal to show P1 E P I log and this sign insect and square brackets. What is the meaning of this? This one is the P1. P1 is defined before, that is this one is a function name P1, and next one is this one is the apology Apollo, this one the end and the arrow sign here in set P1b is this one, and then their value is pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 automatic comma 5. What is the meaning of these sentences we use are here? Let's move on the example. That one is the graph. We want to graph this equation with this one, we use this command. Now on second one we have another problem, and we draw the graph with their colors and their color size, their style, color style, and we use this. Here we want to merge these two commands. Now what we have to do, we use this code. In this code we apolog these two graph. Let's move to watch what is the meaning of this one. One is this, here is the first one is the shape is this, and second one when we take the thickness and the color, then the graph is this, and third one you can watch, you people, you can see that the graph is merged here. In third graph, both graph are in a same table. You watch here, both graph are same. In this graph, the length is, this one is there, the size is small and this size is great. First of all, this one is the P1 is this one is the P1, and the second one we are going to apolog with this graph with this by this insect P1b. In next lecture we will start it with this command again.